Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn Science chapter number 1 Nutrition in Plants of class 7. In this chapter, we will learn about how plants make their food and how it uses it. Here is given the word nutrition. So what is the meaning of word nutrition? Nutrition means the process through which an organism obtains food and uses it is called as a nutrition. Means whenever an organism can be a plant, an animal or any human being, but here we will learn nutrition in plants. So this organism means only plant. The process through which a plant obtains food and uses it is called nutrition. Now you will be asking how plant will obtain food. We will learn in our further video. And how it uses it is called a nutrition. Means it is a process in which plant obtains the food, means eats the food and uses it is in the various parts. Suppose in a human being, it obtains food to get energy, to repair cells and many more other things. Now we will see the modes of nutrition in the plant. The modes of nutrition in the plant are means of the two types, autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs are the autotrophic nutrition, also we can tell them. Organisms which make their food themselves. First point means when an organism means what I have tell the plant. So when the plant make their food themselves. In autotrophic nutrition, plants make their own food, means they are self-dependent. Auto means self and trophic means dependent, means they are not dependent on any other person. Example, the green plants, they can make their own food. How they make their own food, I will explain you. Now heterotrophic nutrition, organisms which directly or indirectly depend on the autotrophs. Autotrophs means which? Green plant. Organisms which directly or indirectly depend on the autotrophs, means there are some types of plants which cannot make their own food, so they depend on the autotrophs, means green plant, for their nutrition or to fulfill their hunger. Next is hetero, means on other, and tropic means dependent. Hetero means other and trophic means dependent, means they heterotrophic nutrition, whatever such organisms are called heterotrophs, means whatever comes in the heterotrophic nutrition category are called as heterotrophs, means they are depend on others. Examples such as the parasites, saprophytes and decomposers and many more. We will learn about all these in this chapter. Now we will learn autotrophic nutrition in the plant. The food making process in the plant is called as a photosynthesis, means when the plant makes food to fulfill their nutrition. Yes, what we have previously I have told you that a plant obtains food and uses it is called a nutrition. So here in the autotrophic nutrition, means green plants make their own food and eat and obtain. So when the plant is making its own food, it's in the plant is known as a photosynthesis process. We will learn photosynthesis process further. During this process, glucose is formed and oxygen is released. When this process is happening, glucose will form and oxygen is released for human beings. We also obtain oxygen. So carbon dioxide plus water will be needed to form glucose and oxygen in the presence of the sunlight and chlorophyll. So you have to learn this equation. Okay. Now we will learn how process of photosynthesis. But children, see, it is a very unique process. It's very unique process in which solar energy changes into chemical energy. Now the process of photosynthesis, water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight are needed for the process of photosynthesis. Means which things are needed for photosynthesis? First is the water, Second is carbon dioxide. Third is chlorophyll and sunlight. Now we will see how the water's role, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight's role is in the process of photosynthesis. First, water and minerals absorb from the soil through roots. Water and minerals, how they get into the plants? They are absorbed from soil through the roots. First of all, do plants eat? Yes. Can plants eat? Yes, they can eat. Okay, they can eat. But what they eat? They eat carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide, from where it comes? It is present in the air. But how it comes into the leaves? Because the leaves are the food factories of the plant. Then how it reach to the leaves? So, there are tiny holes in the leaves called as stomata, and from stomata carbon dioxide enters in it. And we cannot see the stomata by our naked eyes. So water and minerals, water is absorbed from the soil and carbon dioxide is from air with the help of the stomata. Now chlorophyll is also important in the process of the photosynthesis. Because of the chlorophyll only, the leaves are the green, and in the autotrophic nutrition, when the leaves are green, that time only the process of photosynthesis can be occur. Chlorophyll is present in leaves. It makes leaves in green color. So yes, it is also important. Good. Now in this process, the plant also need energy to work, in which sunlight helps to plant. Yes, to do all this much work of water and minerals, to obtain this leaves green color, to do all this work, it will also need energy to work, and which it gets from the sunlight. So here how water enters? By soil. How carbon dioxide enters? Through stomata, and chlorophyll is present in leaves already, and sunlight. Sunlight is also needed to get them energy. Okay, so for today only this much. We will be meeting at our next video. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. In our next video, we will be learning heterotrophic nutrition. This is the part 1, and in our next video, we will learn heterotrophic nutrition in plant, how it uses and helps. Thank you.